Chris, sticking with you, what's your stock pick this evening?
My stock pick this evening, we're keeping it local. So in the theme of SA Inc. shares, choosing Remgro. We just feel that the discount to NAV of almost close to 45% is as wide as what it's been in the past. I think if you look at the underlying investments as well, you all have got exposure into an improving SA outlook. So if you look at the underlyings in financials, industrials, infrastructure, and even some of the consumer and healthcare shares, we all think that you're going to get some good tailwinds coming through for Remgro going forward. There's been some good progress with regards to unlocking that discount. We saw the momentum placement a few weeks ago. We think that all these use of proceeds can actually go into supporting a buyback, which will then also be quite helpful in terms of total shareholder return to investors. I know we're also waiting for the outcome of Comcom as well with regards to CIVH and Vodacom. That could also be a good supportive deal as well for Remgro. Apart from all of those things, the underlying investments as well are all performing quite well as well. If you just look at Mediclinic, Outsurance, Discovery, and the like. So that's our pick.
Okay. Yeah, let's hope that discount narrows. Graeme, how about you?
Very similar theme. Pretty much what Chris said times two. But I'm going to go with African Rainbow Capital, which is kind of the new NAV kid. Interesting assets, also very much, SA Inc. oriented, but some interesting assets outside, particularly Time Global. Discount is even a little bit better, I think. We'll see in a few weeks' time. But yeah, I mean, to me, there's a really exciting portfolio. Discounts have called it about 50%, maybe it's slightly under that, for some really, really interesting assets and quite a lot of growth profile in that. So, I'm always intrigued a company with whatever it is, a 14 billion rand or 12 billion rand market cap. I mean, there are times where there's like a few thousand on the bid and a few thousand on the offer, and I think that creates opportunities for private clients. Yeah. So, I would add African Rainbow Capital at these levels.
And clearly there's a buy out there because the share price has rallied quite nicely since its lows in April. So, yes, long may it last. So we'll have to leave it there. And thank you very much for helping me weather the show. And I'm really sorry to our viewers that we didn't manage to take your questions this evening, but I'm sure we will get to those tomorrow night. Graeme Korner is from Korner Perspective and Chris Reddy is from All Weather Capital. Up next, we have The Close. Stay with us. Thank you.